So being on the roof and you guys are seeing it, what are your thoughts now?
Well, self-explanatory. Look at half the building. I was just as shocked as everybody else. I thought the rest of the building was gonna fall, but it kind of cleared up now.
And you're used to seeing stuff like this with the building, or is this something new?
First time I've seen it ever. The whole chimney's gone. They got the dogs smelling for people.
Just real quick, start with your names real quick.
My name is Christy.
I'm John.
John, Christy and John. Okay, and you guys are residents of this building, correct?
Yes.
And how long have y'all lived here?
About 30 years.
And 30. I would say 32.
32 years. Okay, to just run through real quick, what did you guys hear or experience today with the collapse?
So basically I was waking up, I walked to the window, and as I walked away, I was walking in the bathroom, I heard like a big explosion. So once I walked back to the kitchen, that's when I seen the whole side of the chimney the side of the building was gone. So
upon seeing that, what's your first reaction?
Call my friends.
Yeah.
To make sure they was okay.
Your friends in that building?
Yes, I have friends in that building.
And what did everyone say when you called them?
It was just kind of panic mode, so we were just pretty much telling them to get out the building.
Okay. And any other reactions from people
scared.
downstairs?
Scared.
Yeah. So when you looked out, what did the scene look like? Was there a dust cloud?
It was smoky. Like,
yeah.
you really couldn't see nothing, like literally nothing.
And so what do you guys think may have caused this collapse?
I feel like an explosion.
Okay.
Some type of gas leak, something of that sort.
And when you guys went down to ground level, was the gas smell kind of strong?
It was strong.
Yeah.
Yes, it was strong.
Very prominent.
And you were telling me about the FDNY response. What were they doing when you guys got down there?
Well, as soon as I walked down, they were cutting off a section of the building saying it's unstable. I don't think they really knew what was going on at the time, but as soon as we came around the corner, half the whole chimney was actually gone. And it was a big debris field, and the FDNY were busy cleaning it up. But the gas smell was really, really, really heavy. So we definitely know some type of gas leak was going on. But I know for a fact that was the boiler room that exploded and fell.
Yes, the boiler room.
And what was your reaction when you saw it for the first time?
Well, I didn't see the initial explosion, but my reaction was just shock.
Yeah.
So once I seen a whole bunch of FDNY and NYPD going down the block, I was like, what's going on? Then I saw the smoke came running down to make sure my friends were okay. And yeah, see half the building gone.
Man, I appreciate you guys talking to me so much.
Thank you.
Spell your last name or the first initial, whichever you're comfortable with.
First name John, J-O-H-N, last name Lind, L-I-N-D. You can catch me on Instagram at Calisthenic Guy.
And you know?
And I am Christy Castillo, and no social media.
Can you spell your last name?
Castillo.
Thank you guys so much.
No problem.
guys are getting up and you got to go. It's a second.